In this video, I'm continuing work on the amp rack, or a different section of the amp rack. It's basically how I'm going to get the power distributed to the amps and everything else that I'm adding on. It's going to be up top here. Just a few things I got to work around. I got to work around the hook for the child seat. And then also have to work around this motor for the window, the sliding window right here. This is what I'm going to use for the ground block. This is the power distribution block. And this is where I'm going to have all my switch devices. I'm going to have the remote wires hooked up, and any lights or anything electronic that I add on to the vehicle. What? I'm going to try to get this one piece of wood to go all the way across here. Right now, the only thing getting in the way is this motor for the back window. I'm going to try to find a way to hollow out the back of the board just to make space for it. Cut a scrap piece of wood just so I could see how much of that wood I need to hollow out on the inside. So I need about that much clearance so I can actually do the board in one piece going across. Just trying to find out exactly where I need to cut out. So I'm going to take the router out of the router lift, put it in the base here, and then just clean out the area so I can make space for that window motor. Had to make an adjustment over here. Ended up cutting this spot a little bit further up. I may actually have to go a little bit farther because of the power plug-in. I want to get the fuse blocks and the ground block mounted up on here. I'll more than likely cut a hole about right here so I can have the main power wires coming through. And probably do the same thing on this other side, but that'll be for the RCAs. I'm going to mount everything up with threaded inserts. The first thing I want to do, I want to get the power distribution mounted up here first, so that I can get the wires going into the amps. I'm going to use some leftover wire from the last build before I get to the new wire. It's 4 gauge OFC, and it's made by KnuKonceptz. Well, I'm stopping this video a little bit abruptly. There's just a few things that I'm gonna end up changing. I'm gonna replace this fuse block actually with a smaller one. This one right here is actually gonna be the same kind as this one, except I'm gonna have the fuses in there instead of the links. But the next video, I'm gonna be wiring up that fuse block. So just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.